Hi guys, what's going on? Tonight is something different because finally, after like couple of weeks, because it's been a long time. Uh, that's gonna be so this is gonna be the unboxing, the new 2019 IMAC. So let's check it out. As you can see, this thing is huge, and so like I say, well, we're gonna start open it, and besides, I'm making an update because this one comes with just 8 GB of memory or RAM. So I'm gonna update it with 32 gigas. So hopefully we can put it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So let's start to open this. All right, this one comes with this seal. So this is the fruit, and it's a new one. Like I said, I just got it today after 2 weeks. So let's start. This is the keyboard, and I think it's the mouse inside. So let's put it here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put this over there. Take the box. Here we got the wire, and let's take all this paper. All right. So I just put this blanket down so the screen doesn't get damaged or scratched. Over here we have like this little plastic over here. We have to take it out. And then over here we have this little button over here. We just have to push down, and over here it's gonna open. But I need something. So like I say, we're gonna need something to push down over here. Like let me try this. I have this pen, but of course not with this point. So just a plastic. So just push it down, and it's gonna pop right up. There you go. So I'm just gonna put it over here, and then we have this little handle, so we're gonna push in. And we have the memory here, so we're just gonna move this one up. I'm gonna put in the same order. Just one more up. This one is 4 gigas. So we have 2. 4 and 4 makes 8. To make it click, and then we're gonna open these ones. So I just opened the package. We have to take these stickers out. We have it over here. So we just have to make sure that this little notch match with the other one, which is gonna be like this, I believe. Let me see. Let me take one of these again. Yep. So it's gonna be like that. One and 2. So like I say, this is gonna be each one is 16 gigabytes. So it's gonna make 32 plus 8. It's gonna make 40 gigabytes. Just make sure it goes all the way down. Put this back. That's it. So now we're gonna put it back. So don't forget to plug it in. Well, because this is wireless, no? It doesn't mean that this is wireless too. So you have to put it for the power. And then the button to turn on is over here behind me. There you go. Let's wait. Alright guys, after like 20 minutes of, everything set up and restart everything. So finally, I want to check about the memory. So go up here, click here about this Mac, and as you can see, the memory is here. So now we have 40 gigas of RAM. So it's working. So alright, let's take it out and we have to start working on this. Alright, so this is it for today guys, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and unboxing, whatever you want to call it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell for the future videos. Alright guys, bye.